Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's severe weather update. We have a slight risk of severe weather today across portions of the central deep south, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama in the yellow, and a marginal risk covering much of the Midwest, Tennessee Valley, and deep south in the dark green. Taking a look at the tornado threat for today, we have a 5% chance of tornadoes touching down within 25 miles of a given location across most of Mississippi and parts of western Alabama and eastern Louisiana today in the brown. We have a 2% chance of tornadoes in the green shaded regions today. Looking at the damaging winds, there's a 15% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour or stronger within 25 miles of a given location if you live in the yellow shaded region today, a 5% chance if you live in the brown shaded region today. And looking at the hail threat's going to be minimal, with only a 5% chance of quarter-size hail or larger within 25 miles of any given location in this brown area today. Now, timing out the storms, we already have a band of showers and thunderstorms moving across eastern Louisiana into western Mississippi as of 9:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time. They're bringing some strong winds and heavy rain. And taking a look at the severe storms, we even have a tornado warning southwest of Jackson. So if you're in this tornado warning, get into an interior room or basement as soon as possible. The storms will continue to push northeast through the day. Taking a look at our HRRR model, around 10 a.m., which is about now, you can see the line of storms across eastern Louisiana, western Mississippi. Going into noon, the storms are going to increase in coverage across much of the state of Mississippi. We also are going to have more storms developing across Alabama. And going into the afternoon, between 1 and 3 o'clock, storms are going to continue to expand across the south, producing heavy rain and isolated damaging winds, maybe a couple of tornadoes. And then going through the afternoon and evening, the rain continues to move across the same areas, diminishing a little bit as we head towards the overnight period, but we still have some rain. Another round looks like for tomorrow across the south. And this moves into our flash flooding threat. Taking a look at potential rainfall totals, many areas across Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and the Florida Panhandle especially will see 1 to 3 inches of rain over the next 18 to 24 hours, with many isolated locations receiving anywhere between 4 and 5 inches, especially down towards the Gulf Coast in the western Florida Panhandle. So flooding is going to be kind of a elevated risk for today and tomorrow across these areas. And taking a look at the Weather Prediction Center's excessive rainfall outlooks, we have 3 areas of moderate risks for excessive flooding rainfall. One across northern Mississippi, western Tennessee, another across the Gulf Coast, across southwest Alabama, southeast Mississippi, and another across south central Louisiana in these 3 red areas. A broad slight risk in the yellow shaded area, and a marginal risk in the green shaded regions. So make sure you are particularly aware for flash flooding today if you live across the deep south. Anyway, thanks for watching my severe weather update. Make sure to get ready and prepare if you live in the shaded regions today. Have a wonderful day, my friends.